Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot Optimization. To use ChatGPT for Chatbot Optimization, you can follow these steps. First is collect user feedback. Gather feedback from users to understand their experiences and suggestion for improvement. Next is identify optimization goals. Determine specific areas of the chatbot that need optimization and set clear goals to achieve through optimization. Third is analyze chatbot interactions. Review the chat logs and identify patterns or areas where the chatbot can be optimized. Next is refine training data and fine-tune. Improve the training data by addressing gaps for biases and experiment with hyperparameters for fine-tune the chatbot's responses. Last is test, iterate, and monitor. Create test suite, execute test cases, iterate on optimizations, and monitor the chatbot's performance to continuously improve it. By following these steps, you can optimize your chatbot's performance, enhance user satisfaction, and refine its responses using ChatGPT. So that's it. That's how to use ChatGPT for chatbot optimization. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!